Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm just going to show you real quick how airbags can help out to keep a truck like this leveled. So right now I've got this loaded down with 50 bags of mulch, pretty heavy, and the truck, the back of it is starting to sag a little bit. So I did not put air into my airbags yet, and we'll do a little experiment here. We'll see how much it raises it up. So here's the setup I have. Here's a Schrader valve back here, right underneath Mr. Skull. And here's our bags right here. Also, this one is kind of nice because it has a gauge right up here. So you can see we're at 0 PSI. So let's go ahead, let's put some air in that. Let's see what happens. Also take a measurement. The top of the wheel well is at almost 39 inches. Let's see how much it raises that up. I've got this nice little air pump by Makita as well. I'll put links to this and the airbags down in the description down below just in case you want to check it out. But let's get to that Schrader valve. And let's bring it up to about maybe 50 PSI and see what happens. All right, there's 50 PSI. I don't know if you could tell or not, but the truck was definitely slowly moving up. And now that top of wheel well is about 41.25. And you can see our inflated airbag there really expanded that. I can show you too, come up to our gauge, it shows just about 50 PSI, so that's perfect. And you can see that brings us up to more of a leveled truck as well. So where this would really, really helpful is if you're towing something heavy or really hauling something heavy, this would be really fantastic. Today's load really isn't all that heavy, but I think it's a good example of how this system works. Hey, just for fun, why don't we let the air out of the airbags and we'll watch as the truck lowers. I kind of like that. Why don't we do that same vantage point and I'll pump it back up. Hey friends, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.